Alright guys, so right here we have the Charizard GX. Sorry about that. You have Flamethrower, does 140, and Flare Blitz GX, which does 300. He has 250 HP. It's a really nice card. I like it for sure. Hopefully you get to pull the shiny one. Right here is the jumbo card. Sorry about the glare. I have the light above me. Oh, those fell down, so let me fix these real quick. Actually, we'll just put them over here. New Charizard over there. Put them up there. Okay. So we have two 3 legendary birds and then 2 shiny Charizards. And we'll just go into this order and open them up. Hopefully we get something good. If you haven't seen, watch the last 2 episodes. We opened up the Raichu and Gyarados box. In the Gyarados box, we got shiny Pokemon, and the Raichu we got something else, but I don't want to spoil it. You guys go watch them; they're pretty good. After that, yeah, let's get into this. So we have Moltres, Articuno, and Zapdos. Go ahead and start opening this guy. There we go. Alright. Green code. I think it's going to be Psychic Energy. Ooh, Dark. Alright. So we have Dark Energy. We got Jinx, Magmar, Farfetch'd, Caterpie, Paris. We got Ekans, Psyduck, Staryu. Oh my god! Mewtwo GX Shiny. Look at that. Wow. Oh. And Coffee and regular way. There's James. Coffee, that's moving. Anyways. Where's the sleeves? Wow. Condition's pretty good. It's not bent. That's so cool. Whoop. Sleeved up. Good to go. Wow, first pack too. Awesome. That is cool. Here, I'll grab the other shinies that we got from the previous boxes. Right there. Alright. I'll move over the code cards over here. Okay. Whew. Alright. Second one. Come on, Charizard. Let's try and get the shiny Charizard. Or even Umbreon. I would want Umbreon. Umbreon's right there. But yeah, Umbreon would be pretty cool. Water. Fighting. Okay. Right. We got Misty's. Jim. Chansey. Giovanni's Exile. Pikachu. We got Magikarp and its other carp friends. We got Coffee, not wheezing. We got Clefairy. Staryu. Ooh. Reverse Hollow Steel Energy. And a regular rare Mr. Mime. Alright, I'll sleep this guy up. Wow. So far, so good. Like where we're at. Alright. Got 2 packs left. We got Charizard, another Charizard. Let's do this one. Oh, that's weird. Okay. Let's see if we can get this one open. There we go. Okay. Okay. Fire energy. Fairy. Alright. Lieutenant Surge strategy. Pokemon Lady Center. Or Destroy. Sabrina's Suggestion. Another Ekans. Coughing. Cubone. Geodude. Slowpoke. Another Misty's Gem Reverse. And a Snorlax regular rare. Not complaining. Still got Mewtwo. Shiny Mewtwo. Man, that's so cool. Wow. Alright. Got the last pack of the day. Let's get something good out of this one. Come on, open. There we go. That. What is this? What the heck? It don't want to open. Oh, that's why. That's why. Okay. Huh. There we go. Okay. That was weird. Did not want to open. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put them up at the front. Alright. Yeah, electric energy. Forgot to do that. We got Kroga's Trap. Brock's Grit. Misty Determination. Aren't these from Evolutions? I'm not gonna worry about it. We got Voltorb, Geodude, Pikachu, Clefairy, Cubone, another one. Ooh, and a Holo Eevee. Wow, cool. So we got 2 Steel Energies, Eevee, and an awesome looking Mewtwo shiny Mewtwo GX. Wow. See these guys up. Let me clean this up. We'll do a recap. I got, oh wow. I got everything from all 3 boxes, so please make sure you go watch the other 2. Also make sure you follow the Instagram and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're trying to get to 50 subs and 500 followers. So we got Fight Energy, the Raichu promo, Water's Command, another Raichu. We got Gyarados. The Holo Steel, the Eevee, another Holo Steel. We got Swallow Shiny, Dartrix Shiny, Mewtwo Shiny, and the Charizard promo. Wow. We'll definitely have to see how much all these are, and then we'll tally it up. Yeah, but as of that, thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.